Alright people, first we will see in this video how we can check if device Lenze servo drive 9324 is gonna work. First I will show you what I have here as instruments. This is an old laptop with COM1, as you can see, PCMCI card, and then you're going back, this is here our testing servo driver. Check a look at these all connections, what is necessary to be here. Okay, this is switch, normal switch 01. This is LECOM AB, and this is one motor. As you can see, more details about it. It's a servo motor with encoder connection. We will start this so-called GDC. As you can see, I'm now starting browse. Now, take a look here on the icon upside down. Oh, this is not necessary, just put it cancel here, it's for the moment not interesting. Then F4 here, just to check it, and now try to find it, make it connections, drive, find, and now just simply and easy search. So now the PC takes the all data, what a present situation in there in the servo drive. First, you can see here R323, this is not important for us at the moment. Okay, go here to the code list. Okay, now you have here parameter 7, etc. What we are going to do first, parameter C2, just enter it on it, and low default. Low default, okay. So now, when we have all these low default devices inside, all parameters are default now. What we are going to do, first we're going to go into the so-called, maybe it's not necessary, but I'm doing this, drive parameters there, here, and write all parameters set to the drive. I'm doing this only because I want to be sure that all these devices are actually inside our device. As you can see what I'm doing here now, and then it takes for a really long time. Okay. So we are sure at the moment that all default values actually are in this servo drive. Now what we are going to do is a little bit complicated. So we are looking for the, okay, for this number 5. So parameter number 5, and we are looking there for a value 1011. This is speed mode LECOM internal supply. So we are clicked, it's okay. Let's put it okay. It's take also for a while. Okay, now we are going parameter 12. It's acceleration actually. From my experience, is the best way. It's 3 seconds, so I put in 3 seconds. The acceleration time I also put 3 seconds just in case. This is only according to my experience. And now we are going to very interesting and important parameter. This is 86 parameter. As you can see here, this is here, 86. This is motor type, okay? This motor, what we are using here, it's under the name 160, MDSKS 56-23-190. Okay, so you put it 160, and that's okay. And you can check immediately that now we have the changes the value of the power. It's 1.1 kilowatt. Okay. The next parameter, which is extremely important, is down there. This is parameter 540. 540. Okay, I can do it much more quick. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to change parameter C005 to 1011. This is important. I will explain you later. Okay, it takes time. So it's changed parameter 5 to value 1011. That means speed COM LECOM internal 24 volt supply DC. Okay, now parameter 12. Okay, it's here. We will put it here on 3 seconds. This is acceleration. Deceleration is a 3 as well, so it's all experience. And now we are going to most important parameter 86. Parameter 86 is actually the motor type, okay? What we're interested in this 160 value, this is the Lenze number of the motor. This is MDSKS 56-23-190. Okay, so we are familiar with this, we like it. This is exactly motor what we have. Then we go to the next parameter, is one interesting parameter, 540. 540, okay, this is 540, this is so-called function. Function, okay, we must put it here, analog input. Okay, this is very important parameter, okay. The next, this is something to repair this AR trip, okay. So parameter 581 monitor AR, that will be make it off, this is okay. And then also parameter 583 monitor head, this is also going to off, trip it. And just to check down there, just check it if it's this maximum and max limit, this is parameter 596, is it 5500 RPM. If it's everything's fine, okay. Then we are going here up there to drive parameters and write actual parameter set to the drive. So we are doing this on this way. Okay, exchange unit, okay. As you can see now we are doing all parameter preparation for our testing. So we have now put all parameters necessary for our testing in our device. What we are going to do, there's one interesting called dialog diagnostic. Okay, let me open it, okay. Okay, now you can see what's going on here. Most important is to take care about this voltage here. This is DC. It's around 580, 500, so this one doesn't matter, okay? And now we are going to do our 3 presets, okay? Take a look. What we change? Okay, this is something what we are doing, okay? Now we are going to back, simply to the back. Then we are going to dialog short setup. Here, okay, this is what is important for us, and we are going to make the speed control, okay, no, of course, no, and make them control, okay, here, now we have, our device is doing for this here, okay, no problem, and then we also make it here stop, and then we can go in here to the parameter and make the switch to the on, okay. Now there's a changing of this. Make it stop one more again just in case. Change this little bit just to see, and let me see if it's going to work something. You can already hear the motor is working. Fine. This is something what we are looking for. So now we can be assured this device is working, okay. Make here just a stop for a second. Make a little bit more RPM just in case, okay. And also making start. You can hear this is, okay. Let me do it stop again. Then we are going to, I don't know, for some another direction. Wait for a while, okay, then start again. Okay, marvelous. Device is working fantastic. Okay. Then do it stop. Then switch off this device again. It's okay. And then just back. Parameter menu, and close the connection, internet connection with the device. That's it.